Yes, I spoke with them and they say that they were not ready to go on camera tonight, and understandably so. But the fire department says that there were 6 other people inside the home at the time. They took them to the hospital for treatment, and they are expected to be okay. Those who knew Salvatore and Deborah Fogu say they built a large, loving, blended family. Sal, the father of 9 kids. The Portage Fire Department says they had a generator under a window-mounted AC unit that likely blew deadly fumes inside.
We've done things as a city to get information out about how to properly handle a generator. But in a storm like this, it really makes us realize there's a lot of education we got to do, make sure people know.
Portage Mayor Austin Bonta says the city is using the tragedy to remind residents if they use a generator, keep them outside, make sure they are 20 feet away from the home, install carbon monoxide detectors on every floor, and test the detectors to see if they are working.
Or if you're feeling nauseous, or if you're feeling like you're getting a headache or signs of carbon monoxide poisoning, make sure that you're watching for that, especially if you know you're running a generator.
We have everybody restored from the storms last week, which is good.
As for power restoration across the Chicagoland area, John Shane with ComEd says 675,000 customers lost power last week, the biggest storm since the 2020 derecho. He says they are positioning crews ahead of Wednesday's storms to respond to outages faster.
We can start to put poles and cable and transformers and whatever we need into areas where we feel like the storm's going to be most impactful.
At this point, we still have a few neighborhoods that are without power.
As for Portage, we saw crews repairing power lines from last week's storms tonight. Right now, NIPSCO says about 3,000 residents are without power across all northwest Indiana, including Portage.
Our hope is that either tonight or by early tomorrow morning, the power will be back everywhere.
Now here in Portage, there are still roads closed as they clean up debris. We are here on Old Porter Road, in fact, and you can see right there are 2 trees hanging on a power line. I'm told by neighbors here that they still surprisingly do have power, but that second tree just fell today, so they're very nervous about what the storms tomorrow might bring to this neighborhood and this entire area.